Former Mayor Antonio Sanchez of Calauan, Laguna has passed away. Sanchez was convicted for rape with homicide for the deaths of UPLB students Aileen Sarmienta and Alan Gomez in 1993. The former mayor died at the New Bilibid prison in Muntinlupa City where he is serving sentence. In 2019, Sanchez was almost released under the Good Conduct Time Allowance Law. The Department of Justice, however, ruled he was disqualified as a heinous crime offender. Sanchez has also been convicted for the deaths of father and son Nelson and Rixon Peñalosa, supporters of his political rival. It happened 2 years before the Gomez-Sarmienta slay.
Thank you for watching Politico TV. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more videos.